If you have tons of cucumber flowers, but little to no fruit on your plant, this video is going to show you how to fix that. Cucumbers has to be one of my favorite plants to grow, although this year I've been having a lot of issues with it. They were off to a very slow start. I have no idea what caused this to this day, but as of late, I've realized that I've been getting tons of flowers, but have no cucumbers growing, and I figured out how to fix it. Before we get into it, we need to learn how to identify the male and the female flower on the plant. Unlike tomatoes and peppers, you need something to pollinate the female flower. So here's how to tell the difference between a male and a female flower. The easiest way to differentiate a male and a female flower is to look beneath the flower itself. The male flower will just come off a stem. If you see what resembles a mini cucumber, that's the female. The male's job is to help pollinate that female flower. This is usually done by insects like bees. So in order to mimic this, you can simply take an artist's paintbrush, paint the inside of the male flower, and then transfer that pollen to the female flower. This should simulate natural pollination, and you should start to see some cucumbers. If you don't have a paintbrush on hand, you can simply remove the male flower completely off the vine. Remove the petals off the flower so that it's just the centerpiece with the pollen, and insert it into the center of the female flower. I made a TikTok about this. Here it is. If you're getting lots of cucumber flowers but no cucumbers, here's how to fix that. Let's learn how to identify the flowers. This is a female flower. Note the little cucumber. This is a male, no cucumber. Remove the male because it doesn't do anything anyways, like humans. Strip the leaves, insert. Now this tip is not only just useful for cucumbers, it works with zucchini or any summer squash and most melons. So if you're having issues with any of these plants, try being the busy bee that you are and pollinating yourself. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, drop a like and a subscribe. As always, you can find the most recent video in the top left, related video in the bottom left, and the subscribe button on the right hand side. I will see you in next week's video.